Alexa, call office. Well, hi there, this is Sumita Karir and this is my new headphone for Motorola with a voice assistant, but that's not the only feature that makes it kick-ass. Well, here's a look at the headphone's top 3 features. First up is design. Well, the headphone's familiar and foldable design basically means convenience is guaranteed. It also means that it will take considerably less space to store it. It's extremely lightweight. You've got padding on the headband as well, and can easily be worn for long hours without actually you tending to hurt your ears. So it won't hurt your ears also if you're wearing it for a very long time. But just remember one thing, it will last you for a very long time because the design is basic. It's not something fancy, it's not something fragile. It's pretty sturdy, made of good solid material. The ear cups, the quality of the ear cups, these are like really soft cushiony ones. These ear cups actually can move, so that can help you adjust, and you can open this or close this depending on how it fits you. But just remember, good handling is very important for gadgets. It's got all the good things, it's pretty basic and will last you for a long time. So now the next feature to speak about is Bluetooth enabled. Personally, I've always liked the good old headphone design to listen to music and cut the ambient sound, but the struggle to untangle the wires was quite a bit too much for me. But so this one brings in good news, because this one is a Bluetooth enabled headphone which gives all the power to these buttons for controlling your music, taking or rejecting calls, adjusting the volume. So this is a great feature to have, that it's a Bluetooth enabled. That means that it completely eliminates the hassle of wires and you having to deal with the wires. And like I said, all of these buttons here will let you control the headphone, or whether you want to switch it on, you want to connect it to Bluetooth, controlling and accepting and rejecting calls, increasing or decreasing the music. So all of these adjustments are right here on this ear cup. So you don't need to necessarily use your phone to make those adjustments. Now the biggest feature that this has is that it has a voice assistant feature. So you don't even need to use these buttons, just give commands to the voice assistant, and of course headphones and the headphone shall do the rest. So it's Bluetooth enabled, but you can also use a 3.5mm audio cable that you get along in the box to connect it to the headphone if the battery of your Bluetooth goes down. And as far as the sound quality is concerned, well, it's crystal clear. The noise reduction is pretty solid. Right now where I am, I can hear the movement of traffic without these headphones, and these absolutely cut it. So the noise reduction is pretty solid. The highs, let's now talk about the music and call quality. The highs are pretty high, the lows are well defined too. The bass also is pretty great on this one. And what else? Well, the battery didn't disappoint either. Motorola claims that on an average it will last for 10 hours straight, which is more or less what I got. But remember, it will go down if you're constantly on gaming or if you're constantly listening to music. So that's sorted too. Battery is sorted. You get a charger as well along with this in the box. This is the charging port that will go inside here. And of course, let me just take you through how the headphone actually looks like. So you've got a little branding of Motorola right here. You've got all the controls right here, and this is the mic, and this is the aux cable input, and this one is a USB port. So all of those controls on this earphone, and you don't need anything extra. You've got a charger, so charge it whenever the battery goes down, but more or less on an average it will give you 10 hours straight of listening time, which is pretty much how we need these days. So before sleeping at night, just put this on charging and you'll be sorted. So that's it from me. This is Sumita Karir signing off. To let me know, just in case you decide to buy this one from a Motorola, and get in touch. Goodbye and thank you very much for watching.